Hello guys, I'm Rudy and today I'm going to teach you how to create frequently asking question fact for your website using RTMKit ready template. But first of all, you need to install the RTMKit in the plugin RTMKit, install and activate it. And after that, you go to edit page and create with Elementor. And here's the icon of the runtime. And there is wireframe, and you can go down, scroll down. There is a frequently asking question, and you can choose the type of frequently asking question that already built. Here's the three frequently asking question 3. You import it. Here's the thing that you can edit. Here's you can change the name of this. You can change the name of this. Tags. A dynamic tag. And you can change this one. Accordion. You can change here the question title, subtitle, or you can choose another template that already built. Go again, runtime.net, wireframe, and frequently asking, and you can choose the second one or the first one. Importing. Here's the second one. You can edit it. This one, show index number. Use title icon. Or not use. Use subtitle. Or hide it. HTML tag. Here's the file open. The type description. And if you want the icon, here's the icon that you can change. You can change the icon with a runtime icon, regular. Like plus, the already bird or square like this one. Like this one. And you can change this one as well. For the style, you can adjust the spacing and the title. The title I'm gonna be on the right, on the middle, on the right. And the padding as well. This is how to, when it's open, you can change it. Here's this hoover. When it's hoover, you can give color also. You can give background type, color, like this one. When it's hoover, can give border ratios, give 10, toggle icon size, like this one, big or small, box width, box height, and the content. You can change the content, the center, and justifying. Yeah, if you want frequently asking question ready template, you can install RTMKit in the plugin. Thank you. Asking